and model 3 with 3 type of models. This is the simple one, model 1. So model 2 and the triangle one. So this is the shortage model. Third one is the shortage model. So in this unit various terms, D is the demand per year, CP is the cost per piece, D is the demand rate per day, CO is the ordering cost, setup cost, procurement cost or preparatory cost, P is production rate per day. Okay, D is the demand rate per day, P is production rate per day. So I is the interest per piece, C is the carrying cost per unit per year, holding cost, CH equal to CP into I. So Q equal to economic order quantity. Okay, these are various terms. This is a model 1. First one is model 1. So first one, economic order quantity of the simple model. So you say x axis is the time, y axis is the inventory of the material. So in this model, so inventory is purchased into only one times. Okay, so instantaneous replenishment. Okay, is purchased into only one times. So is the inventory of the items. So consumption is the continuous. Okay, this is the gradually consumption rate. Okay, the gradually consumption rate in this economic order quantity. Okay, this optimal economic order quantity is 2D C0 divided by CH, root of 2D C0 by CH. C is the ordering cost. Okay, CH is the holding cost. Okay, CH equal to CP into I, CP per piece per price. Okay, into I, CP CH equal to CP into I. I is the interest per piece. Okay, EOQ equal to root of 2D C0 divided by CH. Next, minimum inventory cost. So what is the inventory cost of the product? So in the inventory is stored in the room. Okay, is in terms of cost. Okay, all the inventory items is raw materials in terms of cost. So minimum inventory cost equal to 2D C0. Okay, only CH. Okay, CH 2D C0 into CH. Ordering 2D root of 2D means 2, D is the demand, C is the ordering cost, C is the holding cost. Okay, so in this, suppose a reorder point. So draw the one point line. So in this, so it is the consumption, continuous consumption. So if suppose consumption value reach this point. Okay, so any company is ready to place the order place. Okay, so up to reach the consumption in this point, so order is received. Okay, then one bulk purchase of goods, raw materials. So one time, so automatically the inventory is increased this point maximum. Okay, so next we are next is the continuous consumption. So 0 is the inventory is 0. So next also purchase bulk material, raw material. So inventory is maximum. So from place order to place received, this is the lead time. Okay, TP is the lead time. Okay, it's the lead time of the material purchasing. Okay, this is the, so next is the total annual cost. So total annual cost means purchasing cost, ordering cost and holding cost per year. Okay, so total cost, annual cost is DCP. D is the demand, so purchasing cost. Okay, this is the purchasing cost. CP is the price per product. Okay, CP purchasing cost. So ordering cost equal to D by Q, demand and quantity. Apply this is the ordering cost. Next holding cost is Q by 2 into CH. Q is the quantity by into holding cost. Okay, CH is the holding cost. This is the model 1. Next model 2. In this model, the economic order quantity is 2D C0 divided by CH. The previous one is up to CH. In this model is extra one is 1 minus D by T. Is the daily demand divided by daily production rate. So in this model, so this is the one of the good model for the every prepare for every industry is the production model. It's called is the production model. Suppose if our the instantaneous replenishment. Okay, so the inventory is purchased automatically increase. Okay, automatically increase. So consumption also gradually increase. So maintain in the uniform level. Okay, inventory and purchasing also maintain in the uniform level. This is the daily purchasing. Okay, daily demand and daily purchasing. is follows. This is the production model. This is the good production model. Okay, is that instantaneous replacement. The continuous consumption is the daily activity. It is the only difficulty is to maintain the economic order quantity only. So minimum inventory cost is equal to 2D C naught CH into 1 minus D by P. Okay. So total annual cost equal to purchasing cost plus ordering cost plus holding cost per year. So DCP, D is a demand, purchasing cost, D by demand by quantity, ordering cost, Q by 2, holding cost into 1 minus D by B. Model 2. Next is the model 3. So model 3, the economic order quantity is equal to, so is the shortage cost. Okay, is the shortage period. Okay, this is up to this is the 0, is the shortage. So in this, during the shortage period, the machine is in the not running condition. There is no raw material in the company. So they are all the machineries all the stopped. Okay, this is the extra amount by companies. Okay, so this is the shortage cost. So in this period there is no inventory in the stock room. Okay, so at the time the machine is ideal and the labors, so all the consumption is consume the price. So economic order quantity EOQ equal to 2D C naught CH into CS. CS is a shortage cost divided by CS plus CH. CS plus CH is the shortage cost. Okay, is the minimum inventory cost is equal to 2D C naught CH into CS divided by CS plus CH is the minimum inventory cost. The total annual cost is equal to purchasing cost, ordering cost, holding cost. This is the shortage also. So DCP, so demand price per unit price per piece, D by Q demand and quantity, the ordering cost, Q by 2, C is a holding cost, and CS divided by CS plus CH is shortage cost. CS means shortage cost. This is the model for comparison of 3 model 1, model 2 and model 3. So in this economic order shortcut is economic order quantity 2D C naught CH. Okay, is economic 2D C naught CH into extra term is 1 minus D by T is the daily. So the daily activity of this is a good production model of this is this system is followed by all the companies. Okay, is the good model. Okay, so next is the economic order quantity EOQ of the model 3 is 2D. This is a shortage one. Okay, third one is shortage one 2D C naught divided by extra time is CH into CS plus CS divided by CS plus CH is extra term also. So first one, so extra term is 1 minus D by D is the model 2. So add the CS divided by CS plus CH also is the third term one. Next minimum inventory cost 2D C naught CH. So just the upper side, just the upper side. Okay, just go with just go upper side, right, the upper side. So 2D C naught CH into CS divided by CS plus CH. Okay, so total cost is equal to TC TCP T by T C naught Q by 2 CH. Okay, here CH into 1 minus D by P, here CH into CS divided by CS plus CH. So another extra term one. Okay, CS divided by CS plus CH. So here CH into 1 minus D by P. So other term, extra term is this one only. Okay, 1 minus D by P, CS divided by CH, 1 minus D by P, CS divided by CS plus CH, 1 minus D by P, CS into CS divided by CS plus CH. Okay, this is the model 1, model 2, model 3 of our inventory control systems. So in this model, so most one is, so in this model EOQ inventory cost will be minimum. So in this point the EOQ is minimum. So ordering cost is equal to the holding cost. In this point, so ordering cost is equal to the holding cost. So EOQ equal to 2D C naught C. Already we saw in this previous model 1. Okay, 2D C naught by root of 2D C naught CH, ordering cost, carrying cost, demand. So the optimum number of production runs, okay, is the N equal to annual demand divided by economic batch quantity Q. Okay, D by Q. So D by demand, Q is the quantity. Okay, so maintain the D by Q. Okay, value. So D demand, Q is the quantity. Next, quantity produced during production period. Okay, Q equal to P into TP, production per day into TP. So maximum inventory at the end of production run. So at the end of the production run is during the production period Q, at the end of the production run is P minus D into production per day, demand per day into TP, okay, production time. So P minus D into TP equal to Q by P, okay. So average inventory means P minus D into TP divided by 2, okay. So time interval for frequency of ordering, okay. So Q by T, okay. Here optimum number of production run is D by Q, here Q by D. So time interval or frequency of order, okay. So we want to suppose inventory is come to reducing position, so we want to put to the order, okay. So is the Q by T per year means per year. So into 12 months means into 12 multiply with 12, per day means 3 multiply with 360 days. So reorder point is this one, okay. D by lead time, okay, demand by lead time. So what are the demand is need, so lead time for the that particular demands, okay. Reorder point is D by lead time, D by lead time. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.